Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. If you guys have a Ford F-150, that generation between year 2009 and year 2014, you guys need to find where the fuse for the oxygen sensors is located. You will guys have 4 oxygen sensors on V6, V8 engines. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, where to buy cheap fuses from, and why it's always important to test fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So what we have specifically here, this is a 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on, but even if you have different year, that generation video may be helpful. Now when you open the hood on your Ford F-150, you will notice that the fuse box will be placed right above the radiator. That fuse box, when you open it guys, you're going to see you will have your fuses. They will look just like this one. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see that way guys things. When you open it, you will be on that side facing these fuses, and the relays right here will be facing it will be next to the windshield practically on that side. Now these fuses and relays could be really expensive at the parts store, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below. You can see where you can get them from for a good price and quick shipping. It's always a good idea to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money. Stay with us and we'll explain about that now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check for the oxygen sensors guys, if you see that fuse row right here of fuses, okay, even if you have a missing one, you count the space, 1, 2, second fuse, this is known as fuse number 76, that 20 amp fuse guys right here, that's the oxygen sensor fuse. This fuse is also for the VCT solenoid, MAF sensor, intake air temperature sensor, for purge valve and canister valve. Multiple components are controlled by that fuse guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.